Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, ma'am and my friends. In here, our group will be explain about the analysis concept of redox reaction. The member of our group is Syndi Silvianti, Vivi Alqhorina, Vivi Selvianita, and Amelia Kontisa. In here, I'm Vivi Alqhorina. Will be explain about the basic competence. The first is will be explain about the description of core competence and basic competence. Into achievement indicator competence and teaching learning objective. The first is core competence as knowledge dimension is understanding, implementing, and analyzing factual, conceptual, procedural, metacognitive knowledge based on the curiosity about science, technology, art, culture, and humanity with insight of humanity, nationality, nationalhood, and civilization related to phenomena and event, and also implementing procedural knowledge and specific study field that provide with the talent and interest to solve problem. And then the fourth core competence, the ability is processing, thinking, and presenting in concrete and abstract field that appreciated for development from learn in the school independently, doing creatively and effectively, and also able to use method that appropriate to rule of law. And then the next is description of basic competence for the knowledge dimension. In our group, have the basic competence is 3.3 equalize the equation of redox reaction. For the achievement indicator competence, we have the 3.3.1 is equalize redox reaction equation using oxidation in acid condition number. We choose this indicator is we put this indicator on C3. And then for the teaching learning objective is students are able to equalize redox reaction equation using oxidation in acid condition number method based on the example given and short teacher explanation. And the next is 3.3.2 for the indicator. Equalize redox reaction equation using oxidation in base condition number method. For the TLO is students are able to equalize redox reaction equation using in-base condition number method based on the explained, given, and short teacher explanation. And the next is 3.3.3 equalize redox reaction equation using half fraction in acid condition method. For the teaching learning objective is students are able to equalize redox reaction equation using half fraction in acid condition based method based on the example given and short teacher explanation. And the last indicator is 3.3.4 equalize redox reaction equation using half fraction in acid condition method. For the teaching learning objective is students are able to equalize redox reaction equation using half fraction in acid condition method based on the example given and short teacher explanation. For the psychomotor in basic competence 4.3, we have the basic competence is determine the strength order of oxidizing agent or reducing agent based on experiment result data. For the achievement indicator competence or IPK is that 4.3.1 is determine the strength order of oxidizing agent based on experiment result data. And then the teaching learning objective is students are able to determine the strength order in oxidizing agent based on experimental result data through experiment. The next is 4.3.2 determine the strength order reduction agent based on experiment result data. For the TLO, we choose that the students are able the strength order of reduction agent based on experiment result data through experiment. Ma'am and my friends, that's all for me. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.